All right, so one of the questions we get a lot is what is the difference between single brush poly and double brush poly? And simply put, single brush poly is brushed on the outside of the fabric and double brush poly is brushed on both sides of the fabric. So in the picture here, this is single brushed poly. The inset was hopefully supposed to show the smoothness of the backside on single brushed. And all single and double brush poly starts out as the same fabric base. It's usually a 94 or 95% poly and 4 or 5% spandex. You know, those numbers can change a little depending on the base. But this is the backside on a single brushed poly. It's real silky smooth. And then the other side is brushed. It's, you know, your typical soft brush. One of the benefits of single brush poly is because it's silky smooth on the side that touches your skin, it can tend to feel cooler in the summertime. And it also will not stick to your other brushed garments. So if you're wearing a double brush poly pencil skirt or brush poly leggings, the single brush top won't stick to that because it has the smooth inside. Here is another picture. You can kind of see, it's a little bit, kind of see the silkiness on that one. And then double brushed poly is brushed on both sides. So it's soft on the back side and the front side. And the brushing process is basically what it sounds like. Brushes are run across the fabric and it, you know, loosens and roughs it up and it makes it super soft. So double brush has that process done on both sides. Same fabric base, just one is brushed on both sides and the other is brushed on one side.